This exercise is the single arm clubbell side to side swing. So for this exercise, we just need one clubbell. We're going to start in the order position. So our forearm at 90 degree, our elbow pinned into our side, just holding on with one arm. To begin the swing, we are going to rotate across our body, and then we're going to throw the club and then not coming any higher than 90 degrees. So on each side, you just kind of stop at 90 degrees of the swing. And you really want to use your hips to kind of swing the club through to the other side. So you're pivoting at the hips, and also engaging your core for the rotation. So this is what it looks like. So rotate, push, swing, swing, and each time really pivoting the hips and the core. And also we are tracking the club with our eyes each time, so our whole body is rotating as it should be. So again, hold on tight because the clubbell weight distribution is going to make it feel like the club is going to fall out of your hands. So great exercise for grip strength as well. So yeah, that's the single arm side to side swing. And again, just like the two hand variation, I would say it's a similar feeling to a Russian twist if you're using like a medicine ball or a kettlebell or something. That's what it feels like to me.